Solid advice for new moms trying to lose weight. Trying to maintain a weight loss plan without any support can sometimes leave you feeling discouraged. Having a friend or a group of friends who are like-minded and following the same weight loss plan can help enormously to keep you on track. This video will give you some advice for starting a group weight loss plan. Packing a lunch will keep you from packing on those pounds. Take some time in the evening or the morning before work to put together a healthy lunch to take to work with you. Bringing in your own lunch will keep you from falling prey to the high-calorie items that you will end up with at your local drive-thru. To enhance weight loss, chew your food carefully and really savor every bite. This helps your digestion and allows more time for the fullness to kick in. Mindful eating gives more satisfaction with less food, and helps eliminate eating due to boredom. A single bite of forbidden food does not have many calories, so if you can truly enjoy that one bite without needing to eat the whole thing, you will not feel so deprived and you will be able to learn more self-control. Feeling hungry causes us to eat. Eating causes us to gain weight. Feeling full reduces our feeling of hunger. So a way to lose weight is to full more often. One way you can trick your body into feeling full more often is by eating spicy foods that have more capsaicin in them, such as foods lightly spiced with cayenne or jalapeno pepper. No need to overdo it, just enough to burn a little will do fine. As stated in the beginning of this video, trying to maintain a weight loss plan without any support can sometimes leave you feeling discouraged. Finding a group of friends to diet and exercise with can make losing the weight easier by helping to support each other. Apply the advice from this video and you will be on your way to losing weight in no time. Now that I have shown you the 3 mistakes that make gain weight, I have another free offer for you, the intermittent fasting formula. You will really love it. Are you looking for a better and faster way to lose weight and get healthy? You need to use the intermittent fasting formula. What is intermittent fasting formula? Intermittent fasting is a way of eating that focuses not on what you eat but when you eat it. Based on the ancient concept of fasting, this diet protocol can be done in several ways but with the same goals of improving overall well-being and health and achieving a healthy body weight. People often like intermittent fasting more than other types of diet because it allows them to eat the foods that they enjoy without being restricted to fat-free or low-calorie meals. Click the link below and access the intermittent fasting formula for free.